導演編嘅陳兆娟。佢哋上次第一套作品《淪落人》都已經成5年幾啦，今次帶咗好多筆俾大家睇，好唔同嘅風格，希望大家睇完都會有好多唔同嘅新嘅感受。多謝大家。
I am the director and screenwriter, and the last time I was here with a film was more than 5.5 years ago. So this is a film, this one, Montage of Motherhood, is very different, and I hope that you will like it.
Hello， 大家好，我係飾演淑貞嘅譚善言。咁呢套係一個講新手媽媽嘅電影，我諗會帶俾大家一種非常想唔到嘅體驗，希望大家會中意咯。
And then again, I play a new mother, first ever played a mother, and that is a very special experience. I think you will also have something very special after watching this film.
Hello， 大家好，我係盧俊業。咁我喺戲裏邊咧就係飾演佢老公阿偉。咁阿偉覺得自己係一個好不可多得嘅愛妻號嚟嘅。咁所以我拍套戲都想成為一個即係伴侶關係裏面嘅好隊友。咁啊，希望大家都學到嘢啦。多謝。
I play the husband. I also play a very understanding, very loving husband, and that actually in many ways have also influenced me as my dealing with partnerships. Okay. Ella?
多謝大家嘅嚟臨嚇，我又好高興你哋邀請我嚟拍呢套戲有段日子啦。當時我成日喺大陸趕來趕去，我淨係記得俾我回憶到點樣去湊仔，唔知道嗰條片有冇剪到。我希望冇剪過話咧，希望你睇下阿嫲嫲湊仔係點嘅。
I was very in China, and actually my participation in the filming was quite a while ago, but something that I remember very distinctly is how to raise a baby. And if you want to see how a grandmother raises a baby, please watch this. And I hope that that scene hasn't been cut.
Still here.
Still here. Oh, cut though. Okay, good. Okay, Renee.
係大家好，我係文仲嫻。咁喺呢套戲入面咧，我就係做素貞嘅嫂啦，我老公啦，強尼啦。咁戲入邊咧，我就有2個小朋友嘅，咁都算係老手媽媽。咁現實中咧，我都係老手媽媽。多謝。
I play sister-in-law to the couple, and actually then Johnny is the husband of my husband in this film. I play a mother with 2 kids, so an experienced mother, and actually in real life I am too.
Hello， 大家好，我係強尼。咁喺戲裏面咧，我就係阿譚，即係淑貞嘅哥哥。咁阿文女就係我老婆啦。戲裏面我哋有2個小朋友，現實中我都有個小朋友嘅。咁但係我喺上次睇套戲嘅時候，我有個好特別嘅體驗係，我居然一開始睇嘅時候咧，我聞到我細個，即係我個仔細個屋企嗰陣奶樽啊、奶粉啊、臭 BB 嗰啲味，即係開始嗰幾分鐘我聽到嗰啲聲之後咧，唔知點解有個味覺嘅回憶 recall 出嚟。我唔知今日在場有冇啲以前都係即係洗過啲咩尿片啊、大樽嗰啲，睇下你會唔會聞到啊？
Well, I play the brother of Henry, and actually, having seen this film, it was a very, very strong impression that I have from the first few minutes, is that it actually brought back memories, since I am already a father of kids, it brought back memories of the smell of milk bottles, the smell of diapers, and it is something that is very strong, and I wonder whether you will also be able to have that smell. Okay. Well, okay, we will now launch the gala premiere, and most important is to remind you that we have a Q&A session afterward. So you will get to meet our wonderful director and actors in the cast again and ask questions. 一陣睇一睇你哋完咗之後有一個問答環節，請你哋留步。Thank you.